malaman, maaari bang magtanong?
I'm so happy you decided to come with me. I can't thank you enough, Anya.
Stop it nga. Ginagawa ko to para sa nanay ko, hindi para sa'yo. Gusto niya kasing samahan kita.
You could have said no, but you didn't. And now we're gonna go see my mom. So, thank you in advance, Anya. You know what, Anya? Sometimes you remind me of my mom.
Ano? Bakit mukha ba akong nanay?
No, that's not what I meant. I mean, you're smart, strong-willed, just like my mom was. My mom was a strong woman, you know? She had to raise me on her own. She was really pretty, too. Pareho kayo.
Pinabola mo lang ako eh. Hello?
Hello, Annette. Kamusta? Nakasakay ba kayo?
Oo, nasa bus na kami papunta ng Batangas.
Si Josh, kamusta siya?
Eto, nasa tabi ko.
Thank you, Anya, ha? This means a lot to me. Ikaw ang tumupad ng pangako ko sa taong mahal ko. By the way, na-receive mo ba yung address na sinend ko? Sa rest house namin.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Madali lang papunta doon.
Okay. Ano yung address ng mommy ni Josh? Alam mo ba kung paano puntahan yun?
Hindi eh. Pero madali na yun pag nagpunta na kami ron. Tsaka, kay Diyos naman yung binigay mong mapa.
Anya, pwede ko bang kausapin si Josh?
O sige, ito papasok ko na. Ali.
Hello?
Hi, Josh. Kamusta ka?
I'm fine.
Josh, pasensya ka na. Hindi ako nakasama sa inyo sa Batangas.
And don't worry, I totally understand. I should be apologizing to you. I hope you can patch things up with your mom.
Ano ka ba? Wala kang kasalanan doon. Lagi na talaga kami nag-aaway. Sige, Josh. I have to go. Bye.
All right, thanks. Bye. Are you okay?
When you're in love, you will hear bells ringing. That's the ultimate sign that you're in love, sir.
Gusto mo ba ng ice cream?
No, I just remembered something.
Na ano? Mukha akong ice cream. Ay, sige pa. Sige pa, pagtawanan mo ako. Iiwan kita dito, bababa ako.
You're funny, Anya. I like it when you smile.
Tigilan mo nga ako. Alam mo, magpahinga ka na, ha? Mahaba pa biyahe natin.
I can't sort of smile. looking at me.
Sinisiguro ko lang na walang makakilala sa'yo dito. Baba mo pa nga yung hood mo. Baba mo pa kay Marcos. O yung address sa map na binigay sa'yo. Ano na?
I tried studying it, but I think it's useless. I'm not familiar with it. I don't know anything about the place.
Ano ba to? Kasi ako magaling sa geography. Oh, ba't nakatingin ka na naman sa akin?
Maganda ka.
Tigil-tigilan mo ako, kanina ka pa. Alam mo, dapat yung iniintindi natin, yung pagpunta sa Batangas, yung kung ano-ano.
I'm just telling you the truth. Your boyfriend's a lucky guy.
Wala akong boyfriend, FYI.
How come?
Wala akong panahon sa love na yan. Kaya tigil-tigilan mo ako sa silly questions mo.
Love isn't silly. It's like magic. That's what my mom used to tell me. When my mom and dad fell in love, it was magical. Like a fairy tale or something. Do you believe in magic?
Dati. Pero di na ngayon.
Why?
Kasi it doesn't exist.
You're just saying that because you've never been in love.
Eh bakit ikaw? Na-in love ka na ba?